आम्ही ओपन करतले कितें जोपर्यंत आमकां सारकें हाडूंक परमिशन मेळना ना जाल्यार गोवा मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स आमकां ओपन करून दिना तोपर्यंत आमी स्ट्रायक वयतले।
2 दीस जाले आमी स्ट्रायक आसूना, माल आमकां येना थिंगासान। आमकां माल येना म्हणून आमी शॉपार आमचेर मास ना शॉपाचेर। गिरायक येवन बॉम्ब मारता आमकां। चडशे गिरायक येवन गेले रिटर्न। आमचे एसोसिएशन कितें स्टँड घेतला तेच आमचे।
बीफ बंदाक लागून चड हाल जाल्यात ते साश्टेकारांचे। साश्टेकार सरकाराचेर चाळवले।
ते बंद बंद म्हणून आमकां कितें खावपाचें आतां? आमकां कागर कितें हे नाक जालो मरे लोक पयले सावन आतां मारव लागले ते।
तूं आज मास व्हरपायलो?
हय
मास ना म्हणून मार्केटान।
मार्केटान बंद जालें आमचें
द्यायची मुठो आतां गळे सगळे बंद करपाक बोकड्याकू मारपाक बंद कराय बोकड्याकू मारपाक बंद कराय गरीब लोक कितें करपाचो ते आपणागले बरोच बंद रावता ना गरीब लोकांक मरपाक मुसता मास आसोन फांक्शन मरे लोकांक न्ही
कितको जेवपाचें लोक कितको जेवपाचें सांग आतां आमकां हांवें जाला आमगे भुरगीं जेवपाक नाय।
आज संडे हांव मास घेवपा येयलो। आज आमगे कुमन्याव आज आमकां मास जाय कित्याक आमगे कुमन्याव फंक्शना हेका लागून आनी आतां मीस आयकोन मास घेवन घराक वतो म्हळ्यार सगळें बंद आहा।
कांय बीफ ट्रेडर मंत्री विजय आनी आमदार मायकलाक मेळ्ळे। NGO खंय सुपर एक्टिव्ह जाल्यात, तांचेर उपाय काडपाक जाय म्हूण दोगूय उलयल्यात। दोगूय बीफ ट्रेडरांक फाटल्यान।
Beef is staple diet of the Goans. It is not only the Catholic community, it is a lot of people eat beef beyond religion. So we cannot stop somebody eating. Now whoever is that lady of the government who is trying to, she's become hyper proactive. She's as if she is working for somebody else, not for the government. Government officers would not go do like this. So she needs to be put in place, whoever she is what I have to say. And I will speak to the Chief Minister. If the Goan beef vendors are being harassed, then she needs to be put in place. Because everything cannot be illegal. If there is a certificate for this beef which is coming from outer state, that he has cut it legally and he is selling it to this vendor, the certificate will remain on his name, not on their name. She cannot come and put phenol or something like that by saying that this is unhygienic.
तुमका जो तर इतलो मोग हा तुमका मोग तेजो ना तुमका मोग हा कोण कितें खाता पळय तो who is eating what. You don't want Goans to eat what they want. That is why you are trying to harass these poor people who are trying to sell this. It is their business.
तेन्ना हांवें चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन उलयल्लो तांचें रिप्रेजेंटेशन एक वचपाक जाय वस्तुस्थिती कितें आहा ती सांगपाक। आज रियलिटी कितें आहा की एनिमल एक्टिविस्ट आर बिकम अ लिटल ओवर एन्थुसियास्टीक एंड दे आर क्रॉसिंग ऑल बाउंड्रीज विच इज वाय आय हॅव स्पोकन टू हिम एंड क्वांटम ऑफ द क्वांटिटी ऑफ बीफ that is being wasted by somebody coming and asking for different certificates. They will have to shut down their business. They can't run it right now. And I expect the Chief Minister to take a strong stand on this. We have to send a message. In the past we have sent a message. We have sent a message even to Vishwa Hindu Parishad when the government was formed. And we have to send a message now also. The message has to be loud and clear that the law of the land will be followed in Goa. Nobody can be over enthusiastic. We are a tourism state, man.
We can't do that.
Can we force the tourists to change his food habit? We are getting foreign tourists, 500,000 foreign tourists. This has been
सुत्रां सांगतात ते प्रमाण सरकाराची कितें आयकून घेवपाची तयारी ना। बीफ ट्रेडरांक तांचो धंदो कायद्याच्या चौकटीत रावन करचो पडटलो। कायद्याक धरून वचचे म्हूण पुलिसांक सरकाराचे स्पश्ट निर्देश आसात। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट।